Today, we're gonna open up these drawers and take a good look at what's inside. Also, let's go through these boxes and find out exactly what we've got. If you haven't seen my last video where I went to go pick up all this stuff from Craigslist, I'll link that down below for you so you can take a look at that one first and then come back to this one. Let's unbox this old stuff. What is this? Acrylic? Okay. Oh, glass scraps. Some useful stuff there. This is a pretty one. Some type of iridescent. Okay, it looks like it's just glass scraps in here, but a lot of useful pieces. Okay, let's set that aside and let's take a look at this big box here. We've got the Weller soldering iron. Still brand new with the tag. I'm estimating this tip to be like a 3/8 or a 1/2 inch. Maybe a 1/2 inch. But probably like between 3/8 to a 1/2 inch, I think. Maybe this is what I should be using. Okay. Let's put that out there. Let's see what else. Holy okay, there's an old soldering iron. A lot of rust on it. Looks to be the same model. So this looks like the exact one. So maybe I'll use this one first. Got some solder here. Oh, this is 50-50, 50% tin, 50% lead. Wonder how different that is from my 60-40. Wow, this is all the copper foil. So the 7/32 of an inch, perfect, that's what I use. And I can't tell if this is the silver backing or the black or the copper. Really don't see that anywhere. That's 1, 2, open up this old one here. Let's take a look at this. It's copper, so we've got some copper backed copper foil tape. Very cool. Number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I wonder if there's a way to identify what type it is. I don't see that written outside anywhere. You know what? Let's open it up. I want to know. Ooh, so old. Looks to be silver. This is the silver backing one. Okay, what do we got here? This looks to be silver as well from peeling this side off. Yep. I'm gonna guess that most of these are with the silver backing. Well, we've got that one with the copper backing, but I'm guessing these are all silver. So let's keep moving. So we've got lots of copper foil there. Got this box of glass cutters. Look, it's $2.75. Whoa. This looks to be the exact same cutter that I had, my first cutter. Same color, it's not curved, it's nice and straight, but also just from holding it, the weight of it is different. This one is much heavier. It feels a lot more robust. This thickness right here looks like it's a very strong cutter. I'm actually thinking this is a better quality than the one that I have, which is made by the same company, Fletcher. So not sure what happened. This one is made in the USA. I want to try this out. I think next time I'll use this as my glass cutter and you guys will see that in the next video. Yeah, it looks very strong. So we can try it out. So we have 12 right there. Oh, a couple more of these guys. Let's grab them all. Got this whole box. So let's see, there's one in there. There's none in there. One in there. One. Okay, so 5 more glass cutters. Oh man, more glass cutters. Same one. And more. More. So this right here, it's well rusted. This tells me that it is made out of steel, where I believe mine might have been made out of aluminum, and that's why it broke. I really want to test this out and see how strong it is. It looks really strong. I mean, this should be hard to bend and break. So that is a total of
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
plus 12, 29. What is this thing? It's not that sharp, but it's got a blade, like a butter knife or some type of... I'm not sure what this is. We're gonna have to ask somebody who knows more about stained glass. If you guys know, please comment down below and let me know what the heck this thing is and what it's used for. Glass Masters, Inc., New York, New York. I'll try to ask around and see what this thing is. Looks like a lot of brushes for the flux. So there's a couple of them in there. There's some more. Some pencils, but something special here. Sierra Stained Glass Studios in Modesto. Check it out, the lead is yellow, so that must be some specialized thing for a reason, as opposed to black lead. I'm not sure. One more thing to find out as well. So a couple of pencils. Looks like the soldering iron tips, so we've got some extra ones. Very nice. And what is this? Some nickel wire from Orange, California. Ooh, one more of these knives. Oh, if this is what I think they are. This looks like a FID tool. That's so cool, because I don't have one. Maybe you lay the glass right up on that corner. Yeah, we'll have to experiment with this one. Cool, I got 3. Oh, wow. So I got these from my friend Evan from work, who actually has done stained glass, and he gave me a pack which I have at home, and they are horseshoe nails that you nail down to hold your pieces together while you're soldering. So these will come in handy, and Evan, if you're watching this, thank you for that set. I don't have it here, but I'll add that for sure to this collection. So I've got 1 pack, 2 pack, and then I have another 3rd one from my friend. Very cool. So that's about it. Looks like we've got just the liquids. We've got some flux. This one's about half empty. Some more flux. It's a full bottle. How many is that? 1, 2, 3. Most of these are opened, but still quite a bit of flux in them. Let's see, this one looks like flux. We've got 5. Got some black patina, the exact same one that I have. This one's kind of light, there's not much in there. What is this? Copper patina. Cool, I don't have any copper patina, so maybe we can try that. Although it's all crystallized and blue. Okay, hopefully it still works. And then we have another bottle here. And that is it for this box. Let's take a look at this huge box of lead came. So much lead.